Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks to help you lose weight faster. In today's video, we'll be sharing the best way to lose weight quickly and effectively. Losing weight can be a daunting task, but with our expert advice and guidance, you can achieve your weight loss goals in no time. Firstly, it's important to understand that the best way to lose weight quickly is not by going on crash diets or extreme workouts. These methods are not only unsustainable but also unhealthy for your body. Instead, we recommend a healthy and balanced approach that includes a combination of healthy eating habits and regular exercise. The key to losing weight faster is to create a calorie deficit, which means consuming fewer calories than you burn. This can be achieved by making simple changes to your diet, such as reducing your intake of processed foods, sugar, and carbs, and replacing them with whole, nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fats. In addition to making changes to your diet, incorporating regular exercise into your routine is crucial for weight loss. This can include a combination of cardio and strength training exercises to help you burn calories and build lean muscle mass. We recommend aiming for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming, at least 5 times a week. It's also important to stay hydrated throughout the day, as dehydration can cause your body to hold onto excess water weight. Aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day and limit your intake of sugary drinks and alcohol. Lastly, remember that weight loss is not a linear process and everyone's journey is different. It's important to be patient with yourself and celebrate small victories along the way. Don't forget to seek support from family, friends, or a healthcare professional if needed. Here you have it, our top tips for losing weight faster the healthy way. Remember to prioritize your health and well-being above all else, and you'll be on your way to achieving your weight loss goals in no time. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more expert advice on living a healthy and happy lifestyle.